There are also some neat functions that users should take advantage of with the Connect version of OBM. I'm going to spend the last few minutes to show how to generate quantity reports with separate component volumes, and also the class detection function added to the new version of OBM, which I think designers might be benefited from. So as you can see that on my screen right here, we have developed a handful of different material types for KDOT. Now I go back to the test model, place a pier. This is a simple multi-column pier, but in the material tab, I assigned different materials to the cap, column, footing, and pile. So now, once the pier is generated, we can go to the quantity report. Once we have that submitted, we'll scroll down here, you can see the substructure quantities. All the quantities now are broken down to per component because the materials that we assigned. If we don't have the components broken down, then we will get a lump sum quantity. But now we can get individual quantities because of the different material type that we assign to the pier. So now the last item I want to cover today is clash detection. Same thing, under the utility ribbon, there is this clash detection icon here. Before we go any further, I want to turn on some levels that I put in, indicating a existing utility pipe. Now I go to clash detection. Remove this. And a K.test clash detection. Under item A here, just drag proposed utility level over to the set A window, and then now you can see that the pipe is highlighted because of this level is being considered in set A. I'll do the same thing for set B. I'll put the column, footing, and pile levels to set B. For now, just give it 0.01 clearance just to make sure that they are going to be generated for sure. Let's see. So now, some people might have questions, say, what if these are from a reference file? No problem. Down here, you have the reference files that you can choose from. But in this case, I drew this in the actual file, so that's why it's just under the level tab here. So now I have process that you can see on the upper screen. It's going to give me all the physical clash locations. So you can see each viewport I click, it gives you item A and item B in two different colors, and you can access all the element information down here. Geometry give you the X, Y, and Z information and all the attributes that you need to get. This is a very neat function for a lot of the occasions when you have existing and proposed utilities for the entire project. Once the model is produced, you can use this function quickly to filter out any potential conflicts between utility and any structural components. And also in the view here, you can there's a couple different attributes that you can modify, just to show the two clash item or the entire group. So this is what I have for a general intro to K.OBM Workspace today. I hope you find it useful, and don't be hesitant to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.